Hi guys, welcome to our channel Get Free, and today we're gonna see the quick unboxing and review of the Reliance Jio-Fi, and which is new 2020. Okay, so here is the box. You can see the box is in a red color, and here some codes are given with love from Jio, and here you can see that Jio-Fi, your personal hotspot M2S, that's the model number. And here they have given the Reliance logo and some QR codes is there, some instructions is there, and the manufactured is given, and the weight is given. And here you can see the price is, I hope you people can see that, 2300 rupees there is given, but I got it for just 1000 rupees, so that's the thing. And here we can see here there is some features are given here, that is create your own hotspot, connect up to 31 devices. That's great. That's up to 31 devices is quite large, and 2300 mAh battery, that's much better. I hope that will last up to almost one day. Yeah. After that, supports micro SD card up to 32 GB. Oh, that's a good feature. And enables HD voice and video call on any smartphone. Yeah, HD calls and any we can call any HD calls or voice calls, everything in by using this Jio-Fi through the smartphone. And here the wireless sharing through SD card. And these are the main features of this particular product, and you can see this. And there is nothing, that's good packing is given by Jio. And let's come to unbox it. Okay, so this is the box. I just already opened while purchasing this one, and while opening this box like this, and here we can see some, this is the warranty card. You can see here, this is the warranty card. This everything is given. There is you can see the warranty period for this device is 1 year. For this device there is warranty. I hope you can see that there is 1 year of warranty for this device, and for the accessories there is only 6 months. So please note that, and that's the thing. And after that, this is a warranty card, and this is the user manual. You can see everything is there, every instructions and how to use it, that's everything provided here. And what is this? Jio 4G voice. Use your Jio-Fi to enable HD voice and video call on any smartphone, something like that. So let's move it. And here's the device. You can see the device. I'm sorry. And here's the device. This is the device. You can see the device. And let's come to the device. After a few time, let's see what the accessories we have got with this. There's nothing. And here you can see the charger, and you can see a USB cable. Okay, that's much better. And while coming to this USB cable, the one is much better quality, which consists. And let's remove this one, the rubber band. You see, this is just normal USB port, and this is the USB mail version. And this one is in good quality as usual. And this is the adapter, charging adapter. And here some specification is they have been given. And this is the USB female port, and you can connect the USB here, USB male to here. and it's perfectly all right. The quality of this one is okay, not too good, but it's comparatively better. Okay, and that's it. And the accessories is on all good quality products. And finally, this is our Jio product, Jio-Fi 2020. See guys, how's this? You have to say the things after using this. Here we can see some uh, there's one USB. You have to charging port is given here, and the back side there is nothing, and there is nothing here. There is one switch for WPS. You can see that WPS given. I hope you can see though. And see here some instructions have been given there. Some Geo 4G voice and download for free voice call. That they are advising to download the Geo 4G voice to call HD videos as HD calls to the others in smartphones by using smartphones. And here this is the power on off. Long press is on, and the wake up the standby is also given, and just touch for the standby wake up. Okay, there is nothing much. Here is the Geo logo is given, and let's just switch it on. Wow. Yeah guys, you can see how perfect it is. Here is one light is given, one notification light, which is power button. This is the power button symbol, and here there is only one switch in this device, and here there is 3 dots. You can see here that's the battery is fully charged. There is only 3 dots. Okay, so if there is no any charge, it will show in red color, and after that there is, yeah, you can see here one the connection, the network connection is here. The quality of the network is given here. If it is in, there are 3 colors is provided here. If it is red, there is no it's hard to get the connection, and if it is here blue means okay, that's average network connection, and if there is green means that's a perfect network connection is available. Here now guys, we are here for Jio. This connection is a little bit slow, that's why they are showing that the device is getting only the average network. And here another one notification, and the Wi-Fi is on, and you can connect it, and here see there is Wi-Fi is on. You can connect using this. You can connect to any device like phone or a tablet or the product which has the Wi-Fi connection. Okay, so this is the device, and especially I have to say that you can connect this charging port to here, and as usual you can use this one. You can connect it to a laptop or any PC to get the internet to the PC or laptop, so it is also possible. So everything is here. Jio is providing everything completely, everything is providing here. And the product quality, let's come to the quality of this particular device is much better than the last one. And the last one is, I hope the last one version is on as round one. That one is a very circular one. According to that, the weight is little bit less, and the device is become little more comfortable to hold on hand. That's the thing, and which can be used in we can put it in the pocket or somewhere else, which is too handy, and there is no much weight. Everything is perfect in this device. So that's it guys. I hope you guys know how to connect it to the smartphone. I don't have to show at this present moment how to connect a Wi-Fi to a Wi-Fi device. That's maybe funny. So guys, and that's the unboxing and reviewing of the Jio-Fi 2020. This is the new one, guys. And this is the thing, and that's perfect one. You can surely buy this. This is one of the great product. Actually, I spent it 1,000 rupees for this. Only 1,000 rupees. I directly brought it from the Geo Center. Okay, guys, that much only. And please note, if you have to get the SIM, means you have to buy the SIM separately. For the SIM, we have to pay something. There is a SIM is free, but you have to pay the first recharge amount. I hope 300 240. There are plenty of offers is available, and for prime to get the prime membership you have to pay additional 99 rupees. So totally for this device and the FRC first recharge and for the prime membership I have spent almost 1350 rupees for this. Okay, the device is cost just 1,000 rupees. If you have the Jio SIM, just go for it. Get this device for 1,000 rupees and just put your SIM card into this. There is no much. We don't have to wait much more. Okay, so guys, here the back side we have the battery inside. I'm not opened yet. I don't actually I don't want to be. I don't know how to. I know, but it's a little bit tough to get off. So guys, this is the review of Jio-Fi 2020, and I strongly recommend this. And please guys, please support our channel. Please like our videos. Please like our channel, and please share our video. And finally, please subscribe our channel. Please subscribe and just click on that bell button. So guys, thank you for watching Get Fully channel. We will come back with a new device. Thank you.